Today we're going to be changing out a burnout light bulb in this '07 Grand Cherokee. This is how we're going to do it. Some of the Grand Cherokees have some torx screws in these two holes. Not really sure what year they switched them over, but this is '07 and it has just two plastic clips. This is how we take them out with a flat-bladed screwdriver. Take the flat blade of your screwdriver. There's a little slot that you can slide it into. Carefully pull out the center of each pin. Once it's out a little bit, you get a hand of the whole thing. Oh, that center came out of that one, not a big deal. You put the little center pin right back in for later. Once you have the screws out, it's as simple as you get a good hold, pull it straight back towards you. There's a couple little pins there that go into some holes, as it holds the front of it in place. To remove your bulb, simply give this little connector a little turn, pull it straight out. I moved the tail light out of the way just because it's a little bit easier with a one-man operation here. But to get your bulb out, simply give her a little wiggle and a pull. Now I should add, these are a 3157 bulb. Pull it out, click the new one in. To put the bulb back in, it's just like you took it out. There's little tabs, line them straight up in, give it a turn, lock it into place. Now, putting the tail light back in, just as easy as it came out. Line up your little pins and give it a little push up into place. Take our pins that we had from before, slide them back in their hole, give it a push. Take a second one, back in its hole, give it a push, hop in the thing and check it out. Mm-hmm.